How to find Instagram Reel template quickly. In this video, I will show you how can you easily find templates for your Instagram Reel. So without any delay, let's get into it. As you can see in this video, you have the option to use template. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the editing mode of Instagram Reel, and all you need to do is choose the particular picture you want to include in this reel. Now the other method is to click on the plus sign, and then you need to go to Reels and swipe up to your gallery. After you swipe up, you will see the option of template in the above menu. Click on it and you will see a lot of options as templates and use any one which you require. And that's all. That is how easily and quickly you can find templates for your Instagram reel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.